I want you to go back.
People used to just throw everything over here. Hola guys, welcome back to my channel. Call me Nivek, starting with K. Today we are going to talk about something that's been blowing up on social media.
Indian fatigue.
First thing first, I wasn't even planning on making video on this. And honestly, it's just too much to just scroll past and keep my mouth shut. So, let's have this conversation. The feeling when people say, yeah, Indians are everywhere.
Everywhere I fucking go, you Indians are fucking everywhere.
एयरपोर्ट पे उबर ड्राइवर, IT गाइड, डाउनटाउन में, इवन इन टिमीज, यू नेम इट, वी आर देयर. वी आर लाइक वाईफाई जो हर जगह मिल जाते हैं. लेकिन ये सिर्फ मजाक नहीं है. सोशल मीडिया एंड स्पेशली इन कनाडा ये एक ट्रेंड बन गया है. पीपल आर सेइंग टू मेनी इंडियंस गो बैक टू योर कंट्री.
I want you to go back.
और पहले तो ये समझना जरूरी है ये फटीग होता क्यों है. जब एक ही चीज बार बार सामने आती है वो फटीग बन जाती है एंड पीपल गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड और ब्लेम गेम शुरू हो जाता है. ये सिर्फ इंडियंस हर जगह होने वाली बात नहीं है. ये परसेप्शन और फ्रस्ट्रेशन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बहुत सिंपल से एग्जाम्पल से समझाती हूँ. टेक देयर आर 10 इमिग्रेंट्स, ओके, जिसमें से 5 इंडियंस हैं एंड 5 आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज. ओके, इनमें से 2 लोगों ने कुछ गलती की, राइट, एंड इनमें से 2 लोगों ने गलती की. So what's the proportion? 2 Indians did it, right? So out of 5, 2 did it, that's 40%. Before I start my video, I want to say, all Indians are not same.
The fact is that they're all Indians.
Stop being racist.
Why did they all get jobs? And why they
We are very hardworking. And when people say that they're not getting job, we are not the reason. The reason behind of them not getting a job is something else. But because of few people, let's take a handful of brown folks who did not take things seriously, and that's where things starts and people get an excuse to blame all Indians. The truth is, most of us come here, hustle hard and prove ourselves. Before we jump to the incidents, let's be clear. We are contributing in Canada GDP like crazy, and that too in every field. और अगर नंबर्स के हिसाब से देखें तो इंडियन इमिग्रेंट्स कंट्रीब्यूट बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर एवरी ईयर इनटू कनाडा जीडीपी. एंड बिफोर यू गाइस स्टार्ट कमेंटिंग, आई एम नॉट इग्नोरिंग द फैक्ट ऑफ अदर इमिग्रेंट्स कंट्रीब्यूशन. अस एज एन इंडियन, वी आर मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर, प्रोफेशनल्स. वी वर्क, वी पे टैक्सेस. सो अगर इंडियंस का नंबर ज्यादा है तो कंट्रीब्यूशन भी ज्यादा ही होगा. सोचो, इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स जो आते हैं जो लोकल की फीस के 3 से 4 गुना होती है. Then people are paying taxes, grocery, rent and everything. That all contributes to Canada's GDP. Now the question is, अगर हम contribute कर रहे हैं तो फिर ये hateism और ये Indian fatigue क्यों? Like why people are hating Indians? What is this Indian fatigue? I'm going to share 2 of my personal incident that happened. एक बारी मैं बाइक चला रही थी and there was a guy in car. वो फोन पे बात कर रहा था. I actioned that guy, but bro didn't give a shit about it. He probably didn't even know that I was also Indian inside the helmet. But अगल बगल के और लोग जो देखेंगे वो क्या बोलेंगे?
Oh, these Indians.
The second incident is just my everyday incident. So in my area, this is what is written, okay? No garbage to be left on the ground. Please use disposal chute. Right? People used to just throw everything over here, and somebody has just written, neighbors, please throw your trash in the chute or in the container area. Don't be dirty. That's what I'm telling. Like, just look at it. That's the chute, and that's where the garbage is. And then they'll say, oh, why they don't like us? Because they can see all that masala khari. Two persons. Maybe these curry masalas are not all Indians. They might be brown, but for other people, all brown equals to Indians. So we get all the blames. एक बंदा गलत करता है and पूरी community पे आता है. Now let's see all these viral videos due to which पूरी community पे questions उठते हैं.
Well, police are trying to identify a suspect in a sexual assault case on the TTC in Etobicoke.
$10 lakh ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ 6 month ਦੀਆਂ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟਾਂ ਭੇਜੋ.
And what is he essentially saying in the video? He said send him 6 months of bank statements, and he has people inside the BDC to get approvals.
Like we as an Indian talking about गंगा नदी को क्लीन करने के लिए, एंड यही नहीं, एक इंडियन बंदे ने फ्लेक्स करने के लिए एक वीडियो डाली, हाउ टू गेट फ्री फूड फ्रॉम फूड बैंक. लाइक सीरियसली, दैट फूड बैंक इज फॉर द नीडी पीपल, नॉट to abuse the system. If you can afford an iPhone, you can afford the food. Why the fuck are you using food bank and abusing the system? And एक मैडम ने तो next level ही पार कर दिया. She's showing how to get expensive apple in a cheap price by replacing the tag. Like, थोड़ी इज्जत तो बची रहने दो. And obviously, how can you forget that Halloween auntie जो सारे घर में जाके बच्चों की कैंडीज उठा रही थी and उसके साथ साथ डेकोरेशन का स्टफ भी उठा लिया. Now, I'm going to share one more video along with this Halloween auntie. But before I share that, I want to say that I have no feelings of hurting anyone. This is just a video to show how perception work. And you guys comment and let me know what exactly happened in this video. And before we end this viral होने की कहानी, everybody remembers that Wasaga beach incident. And recently, I think those were couple, I think 4 people or 3 people, जो साबुन लेके मस्त नदी में नहा रहे हैं. Like, seriously, have some civic sense, man. And then फिर यही लोग इंडिया जाके बोलेंगे, ओ इंडियंस को यहाँ पे रहने की क्या कहते हैं समझ नहीं है, that's why we live abroad.
So what am I supposed to do? Should I drive? Should I drive the plane?
Until we do not close the tray table, we won't be able to take off, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Firstly, do you know what brand it is? Do you know
I'm
what
sorry, I'm not
what
aware
bag
about
it is? Do you know it is very precious?
Dude, buying MK and Coach doesn't give you sense. So have some manners and have some civic sense and respect the community. And one incident that happened face to face with me last year, मैंने अपने manager से पूछा कि like why is he tired? It was after 2 days of Diwali. And he said people were bursting crackers until 4 a.m. And he starts 6 a.m. I felt so shameful. Like, दिवाली खत्म हो चुकी है भाई. This is not India कि तुम 10 दिन तक का पटाखे फोड़ोगे. There are other people, those who do not celebrate Diwali. It's not everybody's festival. Other people have to go to work. So just respect. मनाओ, festival मनाओ. I know we are loud. That's okay. But एक limit होती है. You see Caribana Festival, Pride Parade. Like, होता है शोर शराबा, लोग enjoy करते हैं, but it's a time bounded. तो अपना भी festival time bounded करो. Like you see, वो I think Sheridan Plaza है कि something, दिवाली पे लोग पागल हो जाते हैं गाड़ी लेके. Like, what are you guys doing? और फिर वो चीज that I get irritated. Like,
I want you to go back.
Okay.
Go back.
But I'm
go
Canadian.
Back to India.
go back to your country. Which country are you talking about? Everybody over here is an immigrant. Some or the other time they migrated. The real Canadians are the First Nation, the indigenous people. Everybody else migrated. So if you guys have the right, we have the right as well. And I'm not encouraging people, those who have the PR and citizen, they get the right to create nuisance. But this is our country as well. We work here, we live here, we pay tax here. I think it was a viral video from last year, or I think उससे पहले की होगी, but last year बहुत viral हुई थी. There was a guy, he was born and brought him in Canada.
Your grandma is not Canadian.
So what wrong did I do to you? I'm just trying to understand, like, what wrong did I do to you? Personally, what wrong did I do to you?
You hardly speak English.
Je parle le français. I speak English as well. I speak French. Est-ce que vous parlez français? Do you speak French?
I do. I speak
On peut
French.
parler en français. Venez, on peut discuter en français si vous voulez. Je suis Canadien. I'm Canadian.
And she was not indigenous. So who gives you a right to say you go back to your country? This is our country as well.
Too many students here.
And like when you guys say, there are a lot of Indians around. Yes, the CEO of Google, Microsoft, you name it, Adobe, like we are. But when you see a lot of people in front of you, you get irritated, you get fatigued. What is this double standard? और अगर इतने इंडियंस दिख भी रहे हैं तो वो गेट क्रैश करके नहीं आए हैं. They have been given opportunity by the government. इसके लिए यहाँ पे इतनी population है. because Canadian government allowed them to come to Canada. That's why you see a lot of Indians. So guys, मेरा point simple है. Like, I don't think personally it's about hate. It is actually Indian fatigue. It's like a perception that has been shaped by few mistakes. So to my fellow Indians, it's a request to all the immigrants living abroad और जो Indians बाहर tourism पे भी जाते हैं, even your actions become stereotype. Because you are not just one person, you are representing millions of Indians. So respect the cultural norm of living in Canada because ये country में बहुत opportunity है. You came here to have a better life. Don't abuse this beautiful opportunity to live in this beautiful country. Always remember, तुम 100 चीजें करो, उसमें से 99 चीजें तुमने अच्छी की और एक चीज तुमने गलत की, तो तुम्हारा वो एक ही चीज हमेशा इंसान याद रखेगा. And to all the other communities, yes, we Indians are everywhere, but we are contributing in every sectors as well. Next time, before you see any Indian or any immigrant, don't say go back to your country. Maybe just thank them for contributing into the Canada's GDP. Just because of few people and not necessarily all of Indians, maybe the brown people, not all Indians are bad. Alright guys, so that was my honest opinion. I just wanted to burst it out because मेरे से ये सब देख के रहा नहीं जा रहा था. Let me know in comment what do you think. Until then, hasta la vista.